We have some breaking inputs coming in. Storm over Waqf JPC report. According to the breaking input, SDPI is now staging a protest against the Waqf Amendment Bill and the Joint Committee report in Chennai. Dharani is getting us more details on that. So SDPI workers have hit the streets against the Waqf report now. Dharani.
The SDPI in Tamil Nadu, especially in the capital city of Chennai, they have hit the roads against the Waqf Amendment Bill and also the report submitted by the Joint Parliamentary Committee in both the houses today. They are alleging that ever since the BJP government came to power in 2024, the Muslim community in particular has been targeted by the union government, and also this Waqf Amendment Bill is not really necessary at the moment. What is the objective behind this bill? This bill will reduce the powers of the Waqf boards and we cannot allow it, is what they say, and they're also telling that the integrity of the report submitted by the Joint Parliamentary Committee is completely questionable. They are telling that the points and concerns raised by the opposition parties were not entirely included to be part of the report, and so the integrity of the report is becoming a serious question mark, is what they say. So they want the Waqf Amendment Bill to be immediately withdrawn by the Union BJP government, and they're telling that in case if the bill is not withdrawn, then the SDPI will hold protests across the country. They will also hold a mega protest in the capital city of Delhi, is what they say. So the BJP in Tamil Nadu is yet to react to this development, but until just 10 minutes back, we saw a huge, massive protest near the collector office in Chennai. Copies of the Waqf Amendment Bill were burnt by the protesters as part of the protest. In fact, you can see in the road, the burnt copies of the Waqf Amendment Bill can be seen in the road in the visuals. So the police had to compromise the protesters, and the police had to disperse them forcefully. But
all right,
let's see how the politics is panning around it, especially how the BJP in Tamil Nadu is reacting to it.
All right, Dharani, thank you very much for getting us